大家好，欢迎回来，英仔教你讲台语。Welcome back for the second video in my Taiwanese Conversation series. This one's called Are You Hungry? And we have a conversation between two people who are deciding where to go eat lunch or dinner, whatever. Okay, so same thing as last time. I'm going to read through slowly at first, and then I'll go through each sentence by sentence. And remember that the original tones are underlined, so all the other words follow the tone change rules. And then at the end, I'm going to read through with a native speaker at normal speed so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, here we go. 你敢腹肚枵？我听无。腹肚枵是啥物意思？腹肚枵就是腹肚空空，要食物件的时间到啊。我早顿食伤濟，即馬腹肚猶未遐爾枵。我猶未食物件，枵甲變脯，若無食會受氣。無，我陪你去食，我食一屑仔就好。無，咱來去食肉燥飯。我知影一間袂䆀的店。安尼，我食貢丸湯就好。咱來去。Okay, so now I'm going to go through and do sentence by sentence with the word breakdown. So on the table, the gloss in English is over there on the right, so you can see what each character or phrase means, and then the sentence at the bottom. And I'll leave gaps so you can repeat in the gaps as well. Okay, here we go. Li, gam, pato, yao, and the whole sentence. Li gam pato yao. All right, next one. 我聽無，腹肚枵是啥物意思？ Okay, and the whole sentence again. 我聽無，腹肚枵是啥物意思？ Okay, here's the next one. 腹肚枵就是腹肚空空，要食物件的時間到啊。Okay, and then I'll read the whole sentence again and split it up into two. 腹肚枵就是腹肚空空，要食物件的時間到啊。Okay, here's the next one. 我早頓食傷濟。我早頓食傷濟。Okay, next one. 即馬腹肚猶未遐爾枵 and the whole sentence. 即馬腹肚猶未遐爾枵 Okay, next one. 我 阿未食物件，枵甲变脯，若无食会受气。Okay, and the whole sentence. 我还未食物件，枵甲变脯，若无食会受气。Okay, next one. 无，我陪你去食，我食一屑仔就好。And the whole sentence. 无，我陪你去食，我食一屑仔就好。Okay, here's the next one. 咱来去食肉燥饭。我知影一间袂䆀的店。And the full sentence. 咱来去食肉燥饭，我知影一间袂䆀的店。Okay, the next one, and this is the last one. 安尼，我食贡丸汤就好。咱来去。Okay, and the whole sentence. 安尼，我食贡丸汤就好。咱来去。Okay, so now we're going to read the whole conversation for you at normal speaking speed. I'm going to read with my friend Michelle. Why don't you say hi, Michelle?
Hi, it's Michelle.
Okay, so here we go. And Michelle's going to read part A. I'm going to read part B.
你敢腹肚枵？
我听无，腹肚枵是啥物意思？
腹肚枵就是腹肚空空，要食物件的时间到啊。
哦，我早顿食伤济，即马腹肚还袂遐尔枵。
我还未食物件，枵甲变脯，若无食会受气。
无，我陪你去食，我食一屑仔就好。
无，咱来去食肉燥饭，我知影一间袂䆀的店。
安尼，我食贡丸汤就好。咱来去。Okay, so that's it for lesson 2 of the Taiwanese Conversation series. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you learned something. And before I go, really quick, since today is Chinese New Year, I'm just going to teach you how to say Happy Chinese New Year in Taiwanese. So you would say 新年快乐. 新年快乐 means Happy Chinese New Year. So you can try that out with your friends if you see them at some point in the next couple days. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button up there on the top right corner. Leave a comment down below or over on our Reddit. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 再会.